In this video, let us explore on how to create a new project in KTern. Upon logging into the KTern application, you will be redirected to the Home Project Launchpad. To create a new project, click on the plus icon. Then, you will be directed to a page where you can select the transformation project template. Here, users have the benefit of using the exact template by narrowing down the required use case, industrial vertical, product, and line of business. After selecting the desired template, you can modify and edit the project name and details such as project ID, organization, timeline, product version, and calendar type. Under the Update Digital Entities, at the workplace, you can import a list of users who should be part of this project. To understand the template for the Excel file, you can download the KTern model template, users.xlsx. Then, upload the prepared Excel file. The Excel sheet is editable, allowing users to add a list of people in their details. This enables individuals who wish to participate in the project, as demonstrated. After uploading, KTern will automatically validate the data according to the template. Under the Update Digital Entities section of the project, you can import the project plan. If you want to add the plan later, you can do so on the timeline page of digital projects. To understand the template for the Excel file, you can download the KTern model template, tasks, project plan, XLSX. The Excel sheet is editable, where the users can add their project plan in an agile manner. Upload the prepared Excel file. After uploading, KTern will automatically validate the project plan according to the template. After all the uploadings are done, you can review the data by clicking the eye icon. The same process goes for the project plan too. Need to integrate KTern with any of the listed applications, you can select the desired one. To learn more about this transformation project and its benefits, you can refer to the Learn More About This Transformation Project section. Finally, scroll up and select the Create Transformation Project button. Preparations for the project launch are almost complete. You'll soon be directed to the project's My Workspace, where you can track daily activities for you and your team members. In the upcoming videos, let us look more into the different streams of KTern and explore them in detail.